we're going to come in the parson's nose, and we're going to go down either side with the kitchen shears. Just cut right through that bone. Any little bits there we can finish with the skin just with the knife. And then we're going to go to the other side of that and just get that backbone removed. Just trim that out. And just any little organs there, we'll just pull them out. And then I've got my cake and oil that we made earlier. Loosen up under the skin here. Just careful you don't rip it. And then get a wee bit of Cajun oil, go into the bowl for marinating. Make sure you get gloves on for this, it's a messy job. Just pour some down here. And just get the rest all over there. Get that massaged in. Then we'll cover that in the fridge half an hour, and then we'll get it char grilled and finish it in the oven. Had this marinating for half an hour. What I'm going to do now, we're going to spatchcock it. I'm going to fold this out, fold the legs out, and we're just going to push down on the breast to flatten it. Get that nice and flat, cook a lot quicker. Then I've got a couple of little skewers. Going to come in through the leg, right through the breast. I want to cross these up. This will help me to keep its shape. And just do the same on the other side. Come in through the leg, pop that out, again through the breast, just out the other side. And then we'll head round to the char grill. We've got to have char grill on hot. We're going to get the skin side cooking first. We want to get some nice colour on this. Now you know we're going to flip this, we've turned it. You should have nice char marks on there like that. Don't worry about any little sticks that just burn a little bit, they'll just come off. It's just to hold that shape together. Get that flattened out. And after about 30 seconds we just want to seal that back bit. Give it a little turn. Onto a tray, and we're going to put this in the oven about 180 for about 20 to 30 minutes. There we have it, folks. We're probing at 73, going to rest it, we'll rise above 75 and at the breast, and then the legs probing about 85 just now. You want the leg to be that wee bit higher. And then I'm going to rest that in the oven, switch the oven off and leave it for 15 minutes before carving to allow those juices to redistribute. There we go, folks. So char grilled. 180 in the oven, took it to about 64, and then I turned the oven up to 210 to crisp that skin up. Now I'm just going to get that cut up. So we'll take the legs off, right through there, right through that wee joint at the side. Get those wee wings just through the bone there, just right through that joint, and straight down the centre. Crunch right through that bone. And there we have it. Get that one in right now. There's a couple of thighs. A couple of drumsticks. And those little ones right there. See, nice and juicy in there.